Regardless of the model that you own, we need to maintain the machines to maximise runtime and reliability. In this video, we're going to show you how. Now the reason we do this is to keep the vents on top of the motor clear of debris, because this could possibly cause overheating. And while I've got the air hose out, it's a great idea to check your tyre pressures. For the correct PSI, please refer to your instruction manual. And the importance of this is it's going to increase your runtime, but also keep your deck level. So it's really important that after and during every use that we empty the catcher. The reason for this is it actually makes the machine lighter, which increases runtime, but it also won't deteriorate the bag. Now at some stage, you're going to have to replace your blades. And this might be due to just general wear and tear or them being damaged. Now it's an easy process, but it's a little bit more involved. So to learn how to do this, go to our how-to video on replacing blades. So it's very important when the mower's not in use that it's left on charge at all times. This is going to maximise the life and performance of your batteries. So for more tips and tricks on ride-on lawnmowers, go to our how-to videos on ryobi.com.au or check out our YouTube channel.
Ryobi, a cut above.